Leaving Yellowstone Park into Gardner, Montana. And this is where the Roosevelt Arch will be. And you can see way down there is the Roosevelt Arch. There's employee housing. A lot of times there's tons of elk and buffalo around here. I can see the elk now. And we are heading towards the Roosevelt Arch. What a beautiful sight with the clouds. Big sky country. We're gonna go right through that Roosevelt Arch. There's shops, the town of Gardner. Lots of stuff to see. Will we make the arch before time runs out? Here we are.